Hey YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sami Photography. Today's video I'm going to show you how to export best quality format for reposting on social medias without the image to change color and sharpness. So remember, some of us have been posting images, but the image, as soon as we post the image will switch to other colors and the sharpness goes. But in today's video I'm going to show you how to achieve the best result for posting. So right away I'm going to show you two options for exporting this image or to save this image for reposting. So most of us or most of you have been, after finishing the image in Photoshop, you just click save as, which is a wrong option to take when you are saving images for posting, because when you save as the images, if you go for save as the images, after saving the images will lose their color when posting and their sharpness also when posting on social media platforms. So today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect image for posting, or the image without hiding the sharpness and color. So I'm going to show you two options, so stick around as we go. So I'm going to come and go to file, then export as. Some of you have been going for save as, but to achieve the best results you have to export your images, not to save as. After you have gone to save as and the save as option has popped up, firstly come and select the format of your image and come and select JPEG. Then the other thing is to select the quality. Some of you have been selecting the quality which is low, and you will not get the perfect result at the end. So make sure that the quality is selected 100% and come down or scroll down to resample. Some of you have been exporting as it is, but right now I'm going to show you how to do it. Then when you come to resample, come and select. Most of you have been exporting in this Bcubic automatic, but right now stop exporting them in Bcubic automatic. Come to Bcubic Sharper here and select Bcubic Sharper. After that, scroll down to make sure that the color space or is selected. Come and convert to the color space is converted to sRGB, and the color profile, a big color profile is selected. Then after selecting this all, you can go on and export for those good quality images for posting. Then you can select or you can export to achieve those great images for posting. And another way I'm going to show you another option is to come also again to export and come here, scroll down up to save for web legacy. So after popping up, come to our format and select JPEG. Then come down here and select maximum, or you can select high and make sure that the quality is selected to 100%. Make sure that the quality is selected to 100%, and make sure that the image is optimized and color profile is also selected to achieve those great results. So after selecting those, you can go on and click save and save your image. So that's it for that's how to get the best photos for reposting on social media's platform. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video in order YouTube to recommend it. So thank you for watching today's video. See you soon in another video. Bye.